Alright, here's the TEEHO installation instructions. Actually, we want the programming instructions. Programming. I know that's why everybody's here. Okay, so programming, your default master is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your default master. You could reset it to the default master by sticking that reset pen in. The reset pen in. Okay, so let's go over your specs. 4 AA batteries. 10 openings a day. 1 year the batteries will last, it says. Okay. Master code. You must change your master code before it'll let you program anything. Wrong entry limit. 10 fails. Gets a 3-minute slap on your face. Slap at that face. This has the ghost thing where you can enter 5 garbage and then your real password, then hit the keyhole and it'll open, or you can enter your real password and just garbage after and then the keyhole and it'll open. This is for if someone's looking over your shoulder and you don't want them to know your password. You're just throwing garbage numbers, the real password, and then the thing. They won't know that you're slamming codes at the front of the beginning unless they know that. Okay. They also don't know how long your code is, because it could be 4 to something. Okay, unlock the door. You got to do your master or user key and then hit the TEEHO. The door also senses it. When you lock it, it knows it. It'll make a beep and it'll tell you that it knows it, that you locked it. The relock settings there. Factory default, everything disabled, wrong code, 3 minutes, vacation disabled, of course. There's your factory, answer your questions and answers. Let's go right over to these questions and answers. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then here is the primary thing that you probably want. Let's see if we can get this on one screen and readable. So you want to so it's basically TEEHO, master code, TEEHO, and then you wait for the green light, and then you're going to press a number. You press a number 1 to change your master, 2 to add a user, 3 to delete, 4 for silent mode, 5 for auto lock, 8 to set the auto lock delay, 7 to add in a one-time use code, and a 6 to throw it. Damn, I hope I didn't say 6 above, to throw it into vacation mode. And then those have various master TEEHO settings after that. Those are to hold this real steady. So that's probably what you're here for. That's all I know what I'm here for. Let's just get the installation stuff. Also, because if I don't do that, one person, what a horrible video. You didn't show me how many inches this hole was supposed to be in the directions. And installing this is a real pain in the ass, I'll tell you what. It is a real pain. All right. So when you're installing this, are you kidding me? They're showing it to come through the bottom hole? Yeah. I don't know if mine had that hole down there. I brought it through the top hole up there. And then you had to make sure you didn't wrap it around any of these. You couldn't go up around. Huh. I don't remember seeing a... I should go re-look at my installation.